Hi, and thanks again for watching another EWI video. My name is Greg Aganowski. I'm the founder and CEO of Wash Industries. And please don't mind my glasses today, guys. It's about 111 degrees out here in the beautiful warm desert of Arizona. Today's video is the introduction. This is a pre-development of our brand new aluminum residential adapter. This is, again, aluminum. This weighs roughly about 40 pounds. In today's video, I'm going to be demonstrating trash bin cleaning. These are two nasty trash cans here at the shop. 96-gallon can. We have a 64-gallon can. There are as small as 34-gallon, if not 32-gallon trash bins. So one thing here at EWI, guys, is what we're about is constantly evolving our product, making sure that this truck is the most efficient truck out there in the market, helping our customers, our clients, as they start their business, have the right equipment to go out, maximize their work, help their communities create jobs. This residential adapter here, we did have a type 1 prototype that we wanted to make changes. There was some failures in the sense of not being able to grab certain size cans. Of course, throughout the country, there's all types of trash cans, as you can see here, to make one particular unit that can do all of it. Again, a universal product. It was very important for us. This truck here is the hybrid truck, so you can wash dumpsters, up to 30 dumpsters a day, from 10 cubic yard to the large dumpster here at 8 cubic yards, 6, 4, and 2, and then residential containers. This truck washes 2 trash bins at the same time. You're not lifting one at a time, it's 2, again, speeding up your time on the job. And again, I'm demonstrating, this is just our prototype. It is in aluminum right now, guys. We're able to match any color based off the color scheme of your truck to meet the vision that you have. So with this handle here, I'm able to compress and lock it in order to, again, accommodate the certain size of a trash can that I'm going to be cleaning. So let's get started. So if you watched our videos before, we use a biodegradable, eco-friendly, green certified odor neutralizing degreaser. It's very important. When you look at the condition of this container, using soaps breaks down the odors, but also helps break down the grime that has been piling up in this container for some months, in some cases, some years. Immediately, it takes the odor out. Our Pure Eco Wash soap smells like peppermint. It's actually a great demonstration, and I always tell people, potential clients, our clients, when you're out demonstrating the cleaning, it's important to get that potential client you're soliciting to get into this container prior so they can tell the difference, obviously, once you've pre-washed. And again, this is eco-friendly product, not hazardous chemicals or anything like that. Most cases, you're allowed to dump the hot water, the soaps, in any parallel line to the sewer. Now, keep in mind, the exterior clean, you are using, hot water, and it is okay to exterior clean these containers as you're not leaving behind any type of nastiness from inside the container. It's just clean, fresh water. All right, so thank you so much for taking the time to kind of get through this video. If you're thinking about doing this business, please feel free to reach out to us anytime. Visit the website, ecowashindustries.com, or you can reach out to us directly, 480-789-0931. Love to talk to you. Again, my name is Greg Aganowski. Really do appreciate your time. Make it a great day.